Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by rinsing and blanching 30 vine leaves for 2 minutes in boiling salted water, then drain and cool on a towel. Finely chop 1 medium onion and measure 2 cups short grain rice, then sauté onion in 1/2 cup olive oil until translucent. Prepare filling with 1/2 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup pine nuts, 1/4 cup currants, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp ground pepper, and 1 handful chopped dill and parsley. Place a leaf shiny side down and a heaping tablespoon of filling near the stem, about 1 inch from the edge, leaving room to tuck. Fold the bottom up over the filling, fold both sides in, and roll tightly toward the tip to make compact cylinders that won't open while cooking. Arrange rolls seam side down in a snug pot, layering with lemon slices and reserved leaves, and place a tight-fitting plate on top to prevent them from unrolling during simmering. Pour enough water into the pot to cover rolls by 1/2 inch. Layer a tight-fitting plate over rolls to keep them submerged and prevent unraveling. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to low heat and simmer covered for 45 minutes on low heat until rice is tender and liquid is absorbed, checking once to ensure even simmer. Turn off heat and let rest 15 minutes before serving. Serve warm or room temperature with plain yogurt and lemon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.